Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Well, the recommendations are going really well today, and but I wanted to make some comments on Antero Resources. This is a current buy recommendation, and it continues to be a buy, but we could see some change tomorrow depending on what happens. So let's get into it. This is big picture stuff. We had this big consolidation over like 3 years. I like big pattern recognition, market technician. I like big bases. Had several trades in here. Most of them were profitable. This was a huge one. And then it corrected 10% or more over a couple of days, and I purchased it. It's come down for for a little over a week. Looks like it's trying to bounce here. So from this perspective, if it could close Friday with a bullish hammer like this is showing, that would be bullish. But let's right now, I'm looking at a shorter term period, but let's look at what this chart has really become. It's really this. So I had the resistance line drawn this way. That's why I got all the chop and everything. And it still means the same thing. It tried to break out 2 weeks ago unsuccessfully, came back down, it's testing. So again, I like this pattern. I'm still looking at this. I'm still intrigued with the huge upside that we potentially have. Point and figure chart still on a buy with a really high price projection. But let's just look at this. So this is what I want to focus on now, just the last few months. This goes back actually to September, but this is what we're going to look at. So had the big sell-off. I went neutral right at the top. Really nice call. If I can pat myself on the back, but not so good on this one. So got in a little too fast and it's come down. And now we have a confluence that we're getting a nice bounce today up 3%. We're getting a confluence of moving averages all coming in here. So this would be a bearish rainbow convergence, and prices are coming back to that convergence, which is a type 2 convergence. And what that means in English is if it can't break through this at 39 on a closing basis, not today, it could be tomorrow, it could be the next day, then it, quote, promises a new lower low, which means it would break this low. It could break it by a minuscule, it could break it by a lot. So what am I doing? What do I do on up days? I sell a little bit. So let's say you have 100 shares of Antero Resources. If it's up 3%, that's a really good day. Even if I was down in this, I would sell, which I'm not because I've owned it for a long time. I just kind of reshuffle the shares. I would sell 5 shares, 10 shares, whatever that amount is. And tomorrow, if it's up again, I'd sell another. I would sell more as it closes in on this. And then if it's, so let's say by the time you get up here, you've got 50 shares left. And let's say it's able to break out. If it breaks above 39, I would buy those shares back, but it's got to be on a closing daily basis. So yeah, you give up a little bit, but you're also risk guarding yourself. Hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends and neighbors. Adios.